Hey guys, Filthy Rich with the DEBOSS Garage. Not a whole lot of exciting things to do in Southern Ontario, but one thing we do have is a giant hick fest called the Fergus Truck Show, and we're going to be there this Saturday. We'll be checking out some of the bands, some of the trucks, some of the tractors, some of the drunk hicks falling off of the top of their campers and breaking their legs. So it's always a good time. Let us know if you're going to be there. We can hook up and whatever, shake some hands and check out other people's rides, and yeah, look for the video coming up later. So yeah, here we go.